some nasty ones on this road, hey?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nothing. The ones we did yesterday.
Even worse?
Yeah. Yeah, ones further down, there were some probably 5 feet wide, 1.5 feet deep down around the bend here that was just massive. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, that was great.
I remember when we did that test, the product you guys were using at the time, I remember we looked at it and you guys had torched the shovel, the hole, the product, and it was so much flame the whole time. So I hope that's gone down a bit.
Well, we don't use the torch.
Yeah.
Period.
Don't need to.
It's great.
No need to.
I guess the best one for me would probably be going on to Highway 2, just at the city limits. A lot of that traffic going to Sylvan, coming back, and everyone we put in the last, I'd say last year, have stayed in. And I live in Sylvan, so I drive that road, and it's holding up.
Yeah, I'm the superintendent here. I just oversee the operation, and the feedback that I've been getting from this product has been very, very positive, so we'll continue to use it. It's holding up very well.
We've looked at some we did last year and they still look like that one we just did there half an hour ago. So better than the old stuff, the old mix that we used to use that would pop out in a month or 3-4 weeks. You get rain and water get in and next thing it's done. But this stuff, yeah, it's good. It's nice to go back and not have to redo them 4 times in one summer, and you can hold up to a good winter like we had last year with all the snow and all the water, and they're still looking like almost brand new. So that's good.
Thanks, EZ Street.